So New Zealand has its own alarm system. Was woken up this morning by an emergency alert. It's all on the back of the tsunami warning that was from the earthquake in Russia. But it's a bit eerie at 6:30 in the morning to get that emergency alert on all your phones. You can see we got those on the phone this morning, waking up the whole family. But very grateful to be in a country where things actually work and they actually notify you, even although some people may complain. Thank you, New Zealand, for my wake-up call, my alarm this morning.